Welcome people, welcome back to another video. So guys, today is Sunday. It is currently 10:22 in the morning and me just don't wash me hair. Well, I Richard wash it still. Me like when he wash it. Anyone he like scrubby root. When Richard wash my hair, me feel like he wash. But when me wash it, me not feel like he wash. So I make him wash it, and yes, he did have to wash it, 'cause I never have no choice. Richard never have no choice. May I make one vlog? May I make one vlog? May I tell the people them say me just don't wash me hair. You scrub the root for me and you never have no choice. You did have to do it. I know beg you, you did have to, you never have no choice. Guys, you don't have no choice. You never have no choice. So yeah, today is Sunday. We have to say to the people them. Come talk to the people them. Guys, I don't know what will be in this vlog, but I don't know what else I got to add, but what do you see? So, we did supposed to wash today, you know, but it looked like rain I got even fall. I don't know why. Every time we wash, the rain decides that it won't fall and then it close the not dry properly. You understand? It look like rain I go fall. But we did want to wash today. You know, say if I not today or tomorrow, but me don't want to wash tomorrow. I want to take tomorrow and relax. And then Tuesday, I go back at the eye. You know, say my eye actually a go down. Other one here. You look now where too, no? It actually a go down, you know. Because I put the drops in there. The man said me for put it in there every 3 hours, so that's what I do. And him say if put Johnson's baby shampoo in a warm water and wipe it over both eyes and kind of like pressing it. So from the start do that and drop in the eye drops, it'll go down. And you know, like really itchy like before, it'll get better, but you know, so Tuesday me have to go back for him can test it over to see if the pimple gone, and then you know start me out for me get one glass. So me I tell you now again, please watch the ads, do not skip the ads. The glass them really expensive. So Richard, then I contact them people them. Contact the people them. Guys, you see, because we try to watch anime, you know, business boat, you know. Because I watch anime. Guys, you know, don't talk to Richard today. Because I know good. He might watch anime in a business boat, you know. So I don't talk to him. We not talk to Richard today. Tomorrow we talk back to you around the time. Richard not good enough people. Guys, as me telling you say it's sky look like rain gonna fall. See it there? Like rain gonna fall. So if we wash the clothes they now go dry. Rain gonna fall. So people, me plait up me hair. My hair I go stay flat until my birthday, hopefully. Richard, you give me money for comb my hair for my birthday? Depends. Guys, comment and tell Richard that Manda needs money to comb her hair. Guys, my hair are growing taller than for Richard.
Cap on camera.
Guys, me here taller for Richard. You mind bad?
Watch it. Like show them, like guys, watch ya. Your ear stop right so.
You mind bad, bro?
When my ear plats brother, I come down here so.
You wish you cap.
No, you come down here so for true. We can show them on my phone right now. Me not cap right now.
Oh guys, Richard saying go and plait in ear cause I eat on vote for.
Oh yeah guys, so me did in my last vlog, no, it wasn't before the last one, me did ask you know, which style and think me for do. If I feel plait up or Kano and me see be a plait, so I guess my plait.
Not one Kano one of
I kinda take this off of my head, but I go lose you tomorrow because I'll do my head tomorrow. But I take off elastic off of my ear or something. But guys, you know, so we not cap, so we have to prove. Because I don't know what happened to some people. You see me?
My ear tall, Richard, your mind just.
I'm turn up on my screen brightness so they
well,
can see.
let me put it on the back camera.
Wait, no, let me see it good. Watch out, guys. I want to Manda.
That not tall enough for me.
I want twin, guys.
That don't tall
I want
enough for
twin. Eh? But you have little lens still. You see, I'm comb me here, making
guys,
nice,
comment
guys.
and tell Richard so me need money to do me hair because I am
take
broke.
out all elastic them out of me head.
Me take out all the elastic them.
So yeah, guys, as me did I say, me say the plot win, so me I go lose out my ear. I'm gonna do it tomorrow. A plot me I go do because I see in the comment section or something. So I guess you know I see me here plot up and thing. Me actually pull Manda did pull one elastic round and stuff for me, so she just I go take off the wrist. Me probably not lose some ear till probably like later down in the night. I probably just lose you tomorrow. But me I go get it done tomorrow. So just I make Manda pull off elastic for me right now. Hey, you know, so if an elastic leg up or something, my skull feel free. I'm like, the elastic tight, you just grip me or so. And that's why I can't run
So
here.
you like when things grip you?
Yeah, that's why I can't
You don't
run.
like when things grip you?
What do you mean by that?
I'm just asking I like when
I
things
feel like
grip.
it. You know?
Answer my question and stop ignoring my question.
You know, what kind of white talk you talk about?
What kind of wild talk?
So yeah, guys, as you can see.
The ear don't tall, it actually really short. My God, Almighty God of Daniel, queer ear short and picky. And this is tall, this is nothing compared to the length on my head. Your hair is very short. Look here. Look here.
What?
Look where your ear catch you.
Wait, which one?
Wait, move your hand. Look here, what is this? What is this? What is that?
Your fully ear, man, I'm gonna eat that. Ah, God. So yeah, guys, so tomorrow me I go do my hair. Guys, I love my siblings them, you know. My sister go comb my hair and my brother go line me up. Oh, but TJ go there work. But when he come from work still, you see me?
Guys, we'll leave a content next week. Richard, I go there here every day. Tell them say I go there every day. So me I tell them so they can look out your content.
I mean, I go there every day.
Okay, you're lazy when you're ready.
No, I'm kidding, guys. But what me that talk about a while ago? You need to buy back my comb. Guys, Manda having comb them, you know, and he use mine and pop out me, it teeth them out of my comb.
You're lying wicked.
You pop out the teeth out of my black comb and bend you up on something. And you have your comb and you not use it. You know, me not, like, she have fear things them and she not use them. She use my them. He use my comb. Me have two different type of comb. Me have one big teeth comb for like comb tree here, and then me have one like tail teeth comb where you use for parting. Even this is senior comb type. You use to look at parting and I might comb the Manda use. Me understand say you know have a big teeth comb, you know, but she have one tail teeth comb too and she don't use it. She use my one and pop out it.
I just a comb no me use when I use that actually.
Of course you use other things to me. You use me spray when I have me here. I'm ready to see a spray in a head. And sometimes you use me things then, guys. Sometimes I even put on my shirt then.
So you don't want to put on back to for my shirt.
So yeah, guys, we are going to go on the... You don't go on the road or we just go for mommy?
We are going to find mother go name out our shop.
Yeah, we are going to consume the mommy shop, you know.
Yeah, guys, so watch the ads, cause guys I trust you, so. And if you watch the ads so we can pay back the bill.
Mommy love when we you know say we did, I think last time. The funny thing you know, guys.
She love when we trust her.
You see mommy, every time we go there there's a customer say we not no money and I go and trust him or something. So every one time like we pay my shop bill, I mean not trust nothing. I not trust nothing at all. So I didn't know me up the aim about Wow, you're not just not in a shop, you're not billing me. Let me say no, me not like old people.
In love when we have bill up
In
there,
love
yeah?
when she love when they have bill up there, so we can compare money for we bill. So if you not trust nothing, she go tell you if you trust. As a mummy still. You ready to go up there now? Yeah guys, so we are going to head on up there now, so only just stay tuned. You want to tell them a secret emoji for now? Today's secret emoji?
So today's a secret emoji will be a car, and the reason why we say car is because we really want a car and we are work towards it. So if you reach this part of the video and you never skip out no part of the video, just leave a car emoji in the comment section and pray for us that one day we can get one car. So it's easy for you guys who really need it. So just comment one car emoji in the comment section. Oh, and comment in the comment section that you love Amanda as well, because Amanda love all of you.
Guys, in the here, stay tuned.
Guys, we are go up at Richard Mother. Hello sir, wait for me. Guys, we are out by the famous come on. Richard, you know say me don't know if you know, but my grandmother teach me. You know you can call bird like for circulate, but you have to go and die. Is sign then tree down there, so me I go show you. Is sign then tree down there, so. And you go and circulate the bird them. I'm not fooling, it's a real thing. I make you do it and see. We have to reach down a tree down there, so. How much I got bet say the people in the comment section know me I talk about? Wait till the bike pass. What you say? Alright, you see tree right there, so go there, go turn up. Give me a bag. Give me a bag.
What tree?
The one right there, so. Go over there, so no?
This a tree?
Yeah.
A maca tree that Manda.
Your name's Diamond Tree to go on no? Come here, you go see bird them circulate in the sky. You have to like kind of spread your foot wide. You have to like spread your foot wide like this, yeah. And put up your left hand. Your left hand. Are your left hand that?
Yes.
Oh yeah. And like you see if you spin four times and say Zymen. If you spin 4 times and say Zymen. As loud as I can, the bird then goes actually start circulate. And my grandmother teach me. You do anything you want but a real meds.
So,
and my grandmother teach me.
And the bird them get them. I get to do anything you want to.
Yeah.
Alright.
Your grandmother never teach.
Alright, come.
Your grandmother never teach you. You have to spin 4 times and say Zymen. And after you do that, you have to jump down and jump up and the bird them start circulate. But you have to say Zymen as loud as you can. Feel like the bird them can hear. I think you did know all of them. Your childhood did boring then, man.
Alright. Zymen.
A tree that. One more.
Zymen.
And then jump up and down and the bird them start come. Yeah. You see when the bird start come already. But you never do the final part for jump down and jump up. Yeah, then go and come now, wait. Your grandmother never teach you this? You see bird them there, you hear them?
Me hear bird, but not see them.
Me hear the bird. You see I choose something here, huh?
I get to do any one thing here, can no bird
no
come. Me decide no more.
Hey, you fool, you fudge.
Me know say no go.
Move Ryan, say they do well.
Deal, say me get to do any one thing to you.
Move Ryan. You don't understand.
You can make it be any one thing when me say you have to do.
Richard, you have food. What my business?
Any one thing when me say you go have to do. Yeah?
How?
Me make up my mind and tell you.
Yeah, that me not do nothing. I just did want the people them to say you know no sense and you believe anything. Boy, you want to see bird and a sing about Zymen, you blasted idiot. we're going back home. Guys, we never get nothing out of the shop because the shop was literally empty. Richard mother never did it, she just come.
I in talk about here tomorrow before in stock up at the shop. So
Yeah, so I don't get nothing. Guys, I don't think about that car. Car Richard saying been one car, me I think so like Richard could have just buy this here and just fix it up and drive it.
Yeah, idiot.
Idiot to do.
Look, try look on this here.
They can't fix you up.
When you look on here, you see I want front lick it, so that means the engine really damaged. And then you know you got to look the seat then tear apart kind of thing. The money where you spend to fix that car.
Richard, just get some money and buy it and fix it up.
Manda, the money where you spend to fix the car that more than if you just buy a new car.
No.
Plus, you know good to buy old car.
I want a nice car.
Because when you buy them and fix them up, then start be a problem and you just spend more and more.
All this here right you say you could have buy and fix it up and the little one. I joke me I make about the car, guys. Me know say, well I know come, I know the people them say me an idiot, you know. Guys, I was just messing around with Richard when I said that he could purchase the old car and fix it up. Cause me know said the money we ain't gonna spend for do all of them, they could buy him a new car. Continue.
Guys, I tell you say, enough time you still don't have things like all you mash up, the best when you get a new one because you when you fix it, is either you keep on and get the same problem over and over, or you just have the new problem. Mrs. Someone have car every day that carry their garage. Me look at them, me fix it and sell it.
Yeah. I see him so. I see him say a man from Dumfries. Like me know the man from 2019. And from I know that man up until now. Basically every week he take a car go garage and I say to him say, all of them money there you spend on a car. Why not just get a new car or sell it or something? Amount of money that man spend on one car.
Some people like then when they look funny and say, alright, me just spend 20 grand to service it. Or fix whatever issue cost you spend 20 grand. And I say, alright, that way cheaper than to go buy one next car.
But all of them money they add up.
All of them money they go add up when every week you have to spend that the 20 grand.
But you save up that the money they get.
I tell you see if you have something that give you a problem, you better you fix it and sell it. And get something new. Cause why? You know nice.
I say I walk guy shop.
No, I want to keep it.
But you walk the there anyways. So guys, me I go over shopping because we not cook today because Richard's supposed to cook. He don't want to cook because he fit cook. And he don't want to because he lazy. So me I go in a shop. I feel for one soup. You see because me see the cup the noodle. Not cup soup, the noodles. Hey guys, so you don't know say Manda of the end of the vlog with a little excitement. Okay, you know say Manda extra already so guys, you don't know today is Sunday, so Richard gonna get ice cream. So I have the idea here for a morning way. Now go make him come back and see one dirty pad. Like what me I gonna do is being how he gonna get your ice cream, me I gonna make it be like say him come back and catch me and take off the panty. So it'll be like a beard me I go beard and he gonna see me and take off the panty and then he go see the pad and in they gonna look messed up or something. Just to get in reaction, so me have a pad. See it right here, so me I chose something in there to make it have if you have one little disgusting look. Yes, so stay tuned.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
We don't get no ice cream, but you buy one orange juice.
clothes.
Who's sick here?
How?
Why you can't look so?
Why you buy? Me not tell us here. Why you buy
I get no
orange
ice
juice?
cream, so I buy one orange juice. What make you something look so? And it smell. Oh, hold on. I don't feel time I want, so.
What?
Manda.
Wow.
Jesus Christ. I want to come out of you. What that, Manda?
Me no know what friend this morning so yellow.
You sick?
Yeah, yellow sitting and come out of my pum pum.
You sick, Manda? What that? I don't mean push my cocky now.
You mean if you're
You
that
sick?
push your
No,
cocky
bro.
now?
I've got carry got. We have put your hand in the fan. You have to go to a doctor, brother. You're sick. So, I went this start.
This morning.
And what is smelling, bro? What about that shit? What about you in that garbage? You're sick, you have to
Scan me.
Manda, brother, that yellow, slimy looking.
Does she wait for me?
Who? No? Me not touch that. You want to go that shit?
You can't does she wait for me?
Hold on, let me get one bag. Where bag been there? Me not
I
touch
can't
that.
believe you're scanning the blouse and skirt.
Drop in this. Drop it in that bag, me make it touch me hand for. Put it in that bag and give me. Manda, you're sick. No man, you're sick. Something actually wrong.
Well, listen up, Bumbo. What fucking sin? I mean, no, you're going so far.
Something stink. No, sir. So, Manda, we can never tell you say something to you.
What you mean something do me, nothing not do me?
No man, you sleep with you, man. You have to go to a doctor. You alright?
Take your hand off of my shoulder.
Manda, that no normal. What kind of slime is that come out of your catches? You know say something, look?
Nothing don't do me. Excuse, I just
You say you go to a doctor to check your hair, you have to go check that too. Suppose you give me something, bro. Like, that no normal, man. Like, you something that look away, man. And no blood in that thing, look at blood red. That is the yellow and slimish, brother. And you have one half of smell.
What you mean if me sick, nothing don't do me?
So, how comes that look so? Are you not depend your period too? So, how that come out of you? You sick, can't tell me?
Yeah, are you a grand girl and give me something, you know?
Manda, if nobody will catch something like you, forgive me something. I'm not crying nobody. I alone may have sex now. So, you are talking about. So, at first this ever happened to you?
No.
Are you not going to get checked out, Manda?
You give me money if you go get checked out?
How much you got, doctor? I never bring it to me before. But when I carry a doctor with you, if you look on your eye. Always if you're sick with dumbness, I'm going to carry a doctor.
Well, a $90,000 for see doctor for check out this. You give me 90 grand?
What?
90,000.
How come that's a deal? And I know about 5-6 grand to pay for you see doctor with you and 90 grand to check on that. A surgery I go do? I could never $90,000.
Smelly.
No, you're right.
Smelly
no, hell no. The outer, come over here. It's something smelling funky.
I want dugu tonight, so I don't know.
Oh. Get this in your thing. Me and I do nothing.
What you mean?
Oh.
Me and you do it
Oh.
tonight, I don't care.
Manda, you have to go to the doctor and get that checked out and see if you have something. And when they find out what you have, after you take a treatment and you get better, then we can do something. You really expect me if going at that after what we just see? Manda, I saw yellow, the thing yellow and look creamy. Like what? I first me ever see something like that. A good thing you come and see when you take care of your rat. Because since you go there sick and they make me have sex and you go give me something.
You're not giving us sex tonight?
No! You have to go get that. You're mad. You don't say you care about me. You can't see how man have sex with you, you idiot. You have sense? You don't see how I get checked out, bro. You better use something off his sick. Cause that don't normal.
Well, similarly and tell me, push a finger in there.
Why we go, why
Push your
would I do
finger
that?
in.
Why would I do that? Me a doctor? Let me push my finger in the fuck.
No, you check, push a finger
Man,
in
what
there.
about doctor?
No, no.
I see you
And
saying
90 grand, you give me 90 grand?
I don't know 90 grand for do nothing, brother. Stop and tell lie. Alright, when we go to doctor tomorrow, we go see how much.
Alright, tomorrow me I go doctor Tuesday and I eye doctor me.
But that one get checked too.
And I eye doctor deal with pum pum.
So in a different place would I go? So
You
like,
have,
no.
send me the 90 grand.
Man, I do 90,000 have to go get checked. So like oh, like, stop much of something. Like oh, you go to the eye doctor Tuesday, tomorrow Monday, so we can go to doctor make me look on that. Stop crashy. And then you touch up with something name. Oh.
I joke me, I miss Sean.
I don't know, Miss Sean, so your part look so. Eh?
See, Manda.
How your part looks so.
Tashik.
Take everything to Jonah. How your part look so.
I put turmeric with the something, what the something name, the star something, but it really stink for sure.
So with that they send the height smell so?
No man, yellow something. But we put on fries, it have one strong smell and so mix with the turmeric and me did put little near pan first, but it nearly kinda like melt in iPad and he never did that show. So after that me just put the turmeric in the
So yeah, we
like
have,
all of that
we have
give
put
to a
in-
horrible smell.
So we have do that for, we have put things in the iPad for.
Come on, see how you gonna react.
You still have to go get checked out, you know that?
Look here now. You see a prank what you do? We are on TJ do prank.
So hold on. Oh, okay. So actually pull the prank
No,
for
I know that. Me have my time when me with fool around here when time me I do my vlog and whatever. And so you know have nothing to do with the prank what you would do for me today, you know.
Oh.
But just know say me have sitting there come with a phone slap for your head. What enjoy your free time, yeah?
you get boss on, brother. You never come on strong with my team Bomson in car. You know what you think?